In this tutorial, we will explore the use cases for smart data applications.
If you like this video, make sure to visit our Vimeo page and follow us to get the latest update.
Smart data provides us with the essential role in eliminating problems that a business is facing. Using smart data, we can derive solutions by extracting the right value and information, which may help in decisions making. Let's take a retail use case and explore the challenges it faces. In retail space, it easily generates large numbers of data. The data generated are from warehouse inventory management systems, order history, customer information, and so on. Due to the aspect of the data, retail faces the challenge of knowing the 360 view of their customer. In other words, there is no proper analytics that is done on customer data, and that hampers business insights. Now, because of all these challenges, the business is unable to prevent customer churn, thereby arising issues with customer segmentation, which in turn creates problems in product procurement. Also, there is no predictive view and also lack customer profiling. So, what is the smart data solution for retail? With smart data, businesses can apply advanced analytics such as identifying customer buying patterns, which in turn helps in deciding product procurement. Moreover, the business can provide personalized offers based on the buying behavior of the customer, and thus helping in driving new market strategies. So by adopting smart data and applying the right process to it, businesses can witness an increase in revenue. Now let's briefly explore a simple use case of smart data process in retail. Businesses can start by collecting customer and sales data from diversified data sources. To those data collection, apply the right data discovery strategy and advanced analytics to get business insight, which will contain customer profiling, buying behavior of the customer, and for creating customized offers for the customer. Through this, businesses will be able to achieve a complete 360-degree view of their customer and product. This in turn will increase the revenue of the business, as they now have complete business insight about the customer needs.
Thank you for attending the session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to visit our Vimeo page and follow for more upcoming videos.